Hello friends, my name is Tanmay. Today our topic is tree. Tree are our best friend because they can they clean the air we breathe. Likewise, they also clean the water and soil and ultimately make the earth a better place. It is also a fact that people who live near trees are healthier, fit, and happier than people who do not. Moreover, it is our responsibility to look after our friends who serve us in many ways. Most importantly, by saving plants, we are not doing any favor to plants, but to ourselves only because trees and plants life does not depend on us, but our lives depend on them. Trees are important to us in a lot of ways, and we cannot ignore their importance. They are important because they give us fresh air to breathe, food to eat, and shade from sunlight and rainfall. Besides this, there are many medicines in the market that are made up of trees extracts. Apart from these, there are plants and trees that have medicinal value. They bring peacefully, create a pleasing and relaxing environment. Also they help in reflecting the harmful rays of the sun and maintaining a balanced temperature. Besides, they also help in water conservation and preventing soil erosion. They also manage the ecosystem, and from ancient times several varieties of planets of worship. Trees provide us many benefits, some of which us we can't see, but they make a huge difference. They help in fighting back the climate changes by absorbing greenhouse gases, which are the main cause of climate change. Moreover, they replenish groundwater and filter the air from harmful pollutant and odors. Besides, they are a great source of food and the king of fruits. Mango also grow on trees. Moreover, they are the cause of rainfall, as they attract clouds towards the surface and make them rain. They can be teachers, playmates, and a great example of unity in diversity. Above all, they are good source of reducing air, water, and noise pollution. When a seed of a plant or tree grow, it makes the area around it greenery. Also, it supports many life forms. Birds make their nets. Many reptiles and animals live on it or near it. Besides all these, many beautiful flowers, food growing on it. Moreover, many parts of trees such as roots, leaves, stem, flower, seeds are also edible. Most importantly, they never ask anything in return for their services, and the gifts they give trees also keep the balance in the ecosystem and ecology. To conclude, we can say that trees are very important and beneficial for every life forms on earth. Without them, the survival of life on earth will become difficult, and after some time every species starts to die because of a lack of oxygen on the planet. So to save our lives and to survive, we have to learn the importance of trees. We live in an ecosystem with the living beings. One of the most pillars of an ecosystem is the tree. The green living beings, provide us with the oxygen we need to breathe and live. Trees process carbon dioxide and use sunlight to make their food. In this process, they release oxygen that every other animal needs to live. Trees provides more benefits and make our planet sustainable. Despite such benefits of trees, we are deforesting the green reserves for our profits and slowly killing the planet. Trees are the big plants that have a green hood of foliage. A tree provides us with shades in the hot days. The cool shade relieves us from scorching heat so that we can rest. We find them in the big parks and roadsides of well-planned cities. We find many trees in rural areas. This is why the air we breathe in the villages is very clean. Trees have the innate properties to clean air by absorbing carbon dioxide during the daytime. They have the biological power to convert carbon dioxide into carbohydrates using the power of sunlight. This is what we depend on. What plants produce an ecosystem depends on these producers of the food chain. These producers supports the life of herbivores and the rest of the animals in the chain. There are so many types of trees we find in nature. In fact, we are not aware of all the species found in the darkest and deepest jungles on the earth. These trees breathe in carbon dioxide and realize oxygen. This oxygen is then used by the animals across all ecosystems. It means that the trees are the prime life support we need to survive. Trees are also responsible to remove carbon dioxide and the prime greenhouse gas that contributes to the global warming. Global warming is caused due to the over accumulation of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Aggressive industrialization is creating more greenhouse gases that trees can absorb on the country. We are destroying our forest reserves to find more land to construct jungles and factories. It has become a huge burden on the existing forest on earth. It is a natural cycle where the trees absorb the carbon dioxide animals and produce and release oxygen for them. When the trees are falling short, the level of carbon dioxide will automatically increase. It is resulting in a steady increase in the average temperature of of the Earth's surface. The entrapment of heat realized by the Earth's surface by the blanket of greenhouse gases is causing the ice caps in the mountains and poles to melt. It is endangering the marine species, coral reefs, islands, and associated ecosystems. In fact, trees also keep the Earth's surface cooler by providing shade. Humans are responsible for the destruction of the forest and slowly making the planet inhabitable for other creatures. The level of pollution is also increasing in the entire world. Trees are the only creatures that can save us from the alarming rise in the level of greenhouses. The needy. It is we who need to understand and importance of trees and planet more. We need to afforestate barren lands and stand against the illegal acquisitions of forests. For industrialization, the entire world needs to slow down in terms of consumption. This pressure on every industry is driving us to gather more resources. We are steadily depleting all the natural resources and will run dry soon if we don't stop. We need to bring a change. We need to make everyone aware of how trees are important for survival. It is us who can make a cumulative decision, and trees can help us achieve a healthier planet for all living beings. Okay, thank you.